Ready for another bright day in Oman? Yes sir. Yeah, a lot of flashes going on here with the dinner. Woohoo! Alright, so good morning from Muscat. This is the Radisson Blue here in the capital city of Oman, and we are about to start ride day number 5. So we're at the halfway point through the Sultanate of Oman, and this looks like another amazing day. The weather is awesome. We probably have, I would say, 26-28 degrees already. It's not even 8 o'clock. So we're ready to get on the road, and we're gonna ride along the coastline. We're gonna swim in a sinkhole, and we're gonna end up in the sand dunes of the Omani desert today. Check it out. All right, everyone, ready for another bright day in Oman, the Sultanate of Oman. So I'm here at the Bimmah Sinkhole. As you can see, it's basically just the earth that has given away, and down below there is a water hole that is mixed with the water coming up here from the mountains behind me, fresh water, and runs down through here, and it's mixed because the ocean is right across that little wall over there, down on the other side. So it's pretty neat. You can see people are swimming and enjoying their time. It's a public holiday today, so quite busy the park. Wow!
You didn't break it too good.
Yes sir. The Bimmah Sinkhole, done deal. Heading back along the coastline south towards Sur. Big mid-size port town, famous for building the old wooden dhows, and we're gonna just do a quick type lunch, and then we will continue to our final destination tonight in the sand dunes further south. So look at this, all the families camping out, enjoying 2 days of public holiday before a weekend, so they're gonna have a 5-day vacation
So they are all out picnicking, camping, enjoying family time. It's neat to see. Tons of kids. Haven't seen anybody in the water down here though. This is the city of Bimmah. I guess it's some kind of beach town. There's not much here, no shops inside. Just a bunch of big cement compounds. Maybe there's more city as we come further south.
So we have arrived at the drop-off of the bikes. We're gonna park them here tonight, and then we're gonna head in some four-wheel drives somewhere there into the desert, to the sand dunes, and get our desert camp. And you can see the sun is just about to come down. We have half an hour drive in the sand dunes and we should be at our camp. So we'll get the sunset in the camp.
Come.
Yeah, a lot of flashes going on here for the dinner. I'm seeing what Mark's seeing here. Doing some great shots. Welcome to the jungle.
Coming out of the sand dunes, and we're on the road again. On the road again.